Hey, what is going on guys? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark video between the iPhone XR against the OnePlus 6T. So it's the new A12 Bionic going up against the Snapdragon 845, 3GB of RAM on the iPhone XR and 6GB of RAM on the OnePlus 6T. And the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone XR finished first and overall the scores were higher. As for the categories, the iPhone XR scored higher on the CPU and GPU. However, the OnePlus 6T scored higher on the UX and the memory. One thing to bear in mind is that the iPhone XR is using the latest A12 Bionic. As for the OnePlus 6T, it is using the current generation Snapdragon 845. So that wraps it up for this video. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If it happens to be your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, including the Google Pixel 3. So make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.